Ants are an actual great example of what we will become when we will live in the coming kingdom with our Messiah and with the Father. They operate naturally and willingly with a specific purpose, with Yah's commands written in their own beings.
And I shall give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you. And I shall take the heart of stone out of your flesh, and I shall give you a heart of flesh, and put my spirit within you. And I shall cause you to walk in my laws and guard my right rulings and shall do them.